Renaming rows and columns of Pandas DataFrame. In this lesson, we will learn different ways of changing the default row and column labels. So, first create a Pandas DataFrame by importing a CSV file. The contents of the CSV file look like this. Let's import the Pandas module and then import the CSV file results 3.csv and assign it to df. The DataFrame df looks like this. These are the column labels. And these are the indexes or row labels. The column labels are as per the header of the CSV file, and the indexes are the default indexes set by Pandas module. df.index gives details about the index. df.columns gives details about the column names. We can also display the indexes using this expression, df.index.values. We can display the columns using this expression, df.columns.values. We can use the list function to convert the index values to a list. Similarly, for a list of column names, we use the list function in this way. We may set the index or row labels for the rows using this kind of statement. This is feasible for only few rows. For a large number of rows, we have to use other techniques. Look, the index is changed. Let's display the list of index. We may rename the index using lambda function also. Check this example. For more about lambda function, you may check the video linked to the I button above. For renaming all the column labels, we may pass a list of column names to the columns method as shown here. Observe the changes in the column labels. This is as per the list of labels supplied. We may also change the one or more column labels by passing a dictionary with the old names as the keys and the new names as the values. For renaming all the columns, we may use the lambda function also. Here is an example. In the following example, we will learn how to rename both the index and column labels at one go. So, first, import a CSV file containing our data. Look, the data frame contains 128 rows and 5 columns. Now let's rename the index and columns of the data frame using lambda functions in one statement. Here are the new labels for the columns and rows of the data frame. These are some of the various techniques of giving or renaming column and row labels of our data frames. Let me finish this lesson here. We will learn a lot about Pandas data frames in subsequent lessons. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your valuable feedback matters a lot to me. Happy coding! Bye.